Well, now we know the big secret. Kate Middleton has cancer and she is undergoing chemotherapy. I've heard a few people say that Kate Middleton was forced into talking about her diagnosis because she was bullied by the press and social media. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Penny. I'm a certified hospice nurse. I've had a lot of patients who've died from cancer, so I have a thing or two to say about this. No one should ever feel obligated to discuss their health issues publicly, and I'm not trying to say that. But also, I feel like it's important for regular people to understand that cancer can happen at any time to anyone at any age for any reason or no reason. Anyone can get cancer. It doesn't discriminate. And when somebody who's a princess, no less, and arguably one of the richest people in the world, talks about their diagnosis and treatment candidly, it helps other people who are going through a similar situation to not feel so alone. I'm happy that Kate Middleton is sharing her experience. If anything, I wish she'd be more forthcoming with the information. What kind of cancer does she have? What is the treatment? How is she doing? I just think it's helpful for all of us little people to know that sometimes really bad shit happens, no matter who you are. And just as I wish for anyone who's experiencing the horror of a cancer diagnosis, I wish Kate Middleton and her family the best at this very difficult time.